It is Monday, November 20th. And guess what it is today? It's my B-Day. Yes, it is. And you know I love my birthday. And lots of people came in today, and they were so sweet. Came in, they took advantage of the buy one, get one 71% off, which was so smart and good for them. And I got lots of happy birthday wishes and lots of thoughts and cards and flowers, and it was lovely. Someone said, "You're working on your birthday?" I said, "Why wouldn't I?" All these people come in, they wish me happy birthday. I get to see lots of friends and people that I care about, so it's a perfect place to be. Besides, my husband did an amazing job over the weekend. He took me to Greensboro. We stayed at the Grandover. We had a lovely dinner at Marisol, which is one of our favorite restaurants in North Carolina. And then second row center to see Anita Baker. What? There were 11,000 people there. She sold it out. It was incredible. So, had a lovely weekend. Stopped at the Pottery Festival on the way home at Lux and got a few nice new pieces of pottery, and I think it was just about a perfect weekend. Came to work today, got some stuff done. Turner's coming in tomorrow. Kids are coming in on, Chelsea's coming in on Wednesday with Tyler and Evan, so we'll have a house full. We'll do the turkey, Drex and Randy. It'll be a big time, and we'll be back here Friday. So remember, Wednesday we are closing early, 3 o'clock. No in-house wine and wisdom or wine and women and knitting. None of that on Wednesday. We will close at 3 and we will be closed on Thursday, and we will reopen Friday at 10 o'clock. Now Friday is Black Friday, and my Black Friday is extending my birthday one more day. So my gift to you is my birth year, 1952. You get to buy one item, 52% off. Not a bad deal. It does exclude interchangeable needles, the Christmas on Connecticut bag, and any trunk shows. But beyond that, the whole store is yours. All right. Now, let me tell you, this yarn I bought, I think way back in the spring. It is called Cash Silk Light. This is a combination of cashmere, silk, and let me just get the other one. 70% merino, 10% cashmere, 20% silk. This is like a breath of puffy, soft, gorgeous air. And this pattern is just stockinette. Unbelievable, so beautiful. 2 balls, thank you very much. 2 balls, this light, airy shawl, which is glorious. It has these gorgeous tassels on the bottom. Fabulous, and it's a free pattern. What? Thank you very much. So this is called the Silk Scarf with a Tassel. I guess, Silk Scarf with a Tassel. And it's made out of 2 balls of this yarn. So let me show you. Oh, this thing is gorgeous. Warm, but it weighs nothing. All right, we got some neutrals. I dropped one second. We got some neutrals and some colors, all kind of muted, but still lovely. So obviously this first color is beautiful. They call it ochre, of course. You know I love ochre. Then this one is taupe, gray taupey, gray taupey. It's called, yeah, taupe. Then this one is tan. Oh, well, there you go. Lovely tan. It's just so soft and gorgeous. Remember, 2 balls. And then we move on to this beautiful peach, salmon, gorgeous. Did I show you the label? This is lovely for a little more depth of color. This is a dark, looks like terracotta to me. It's called red, but I think it's a terracotta. This is a beautiful icy blue called Seafoam. Gorgeous. And last but not least, teal green. So a nice, beautiful tealy green. I'm telling you, this thing is beautiful. And it's knit. It's going to be a quick knit. 2 balls. I told you that. 2 balls on a size 10 needle. What? You better come get this Friday. They are $17.50 a piece. That's it. So one of these could be 52% off, and the second one is regular price. What? Only one time, though. You can't do it over and over and over. Sorry about that. Anyway, all right, it's Black Friday. It's our deal. All right, so here it is, this beautiful tasseled shawl. You got to do it as a gift. Gorgeous. All right, I think that's all I've got for you. I will definitely be here tomorrow. I'll be here Wednesday, and I'll be here Friday. So I'll see you then. And thanks for all the birthday wishes.